It had been 6 months since I traveled overseas. I was itching to get back out there, longing for that one flight to change it all again. We quickly made it to El Nido and stayed at the same hostel as the one I stayed at last year. This is our first official day here in El Nido. I finally brought Alex over.
Hello.
So yeah, I haven't been here in over a year. And so I wanted to come back a couple of weeks, just enjoy El Nido and the beach and the island hopping experience. So excited to bring you here. Look at that. Look at
Beautiful.
that. I mean, I did the exact same thing 1 year ago, saying, oh, look at that view, look at this. Everywhere you look at El Nido, you got such nice backgrounds. Like, look at that right there. I'm just gonna make a massive vlog out of this, and then I hope you guys enjoy what we're up to in El Nido. It's been a while since I've been vlogging, so I miss it. I'm excited to show you guys around. If you haven't been to El Nido, come over. Actually our first official day in El Nido here in the Philippines, and we're really hungry, so we're gonna find some food and then we're gonna find some food. Two-piece. Do I? After getting back home from lunch, I realized I didn't have my wallet with me, and I instantly knew that I dropped it. We walked around the streets of El Nido, asking the locals from the restaurant we had lunch at to the random people standing by the street.
Ang laman. ID. Wala na. Yan. Sakto pa rin.
Sige, salamat. Thank you. So we got back from the police station. They actually got the wallet. It has all the money, the cards that I need. So I'm so glad we found it far out. As you can see, I'm sweating like crazy, so we're just gonna go home, get some rest, and prep for our tour the next couple of days.
Hello guys, welcome to our very first tour in El Nido, and we're here at Seven Commandos Beach.
We then made it to the famous Big Lagoon. So I think it's about midday, I'm not too sure. But we're now here in the Big Lagoon. This is my second time here. It's Alex's first time. She's just chilling. It's incredible here, but it's super nice here. It's good to be back. The weather's not too great, but still enjoying our time. Okay, so we were just snorkeling, like just outside the Big Lagoon, and then I started filming Alex with the GoPro, like snorkeling around because she wanted to try it out without the vest. And all of a sudden, my snorkel gear just
Fell underwater, like it just kept falling down.
like the mask and the little breather thing, it just went down, and it's so deep. They say it's like 20 plus or whatever. Like I could only go probably like 5 meters down, and so I was screwed. But I'm so grateful that the kuyas, so they're the ones, like the boat people, they actually managed to save the freaking snorkel. Otherwise, I would have paid like 1,500, which is the cost of this entire tour. So many stuff has happened. I mean, look at Alice's finger.
No,
So she tried to catch the drone, like above, and the propellers hit her finger. So that was, I should have told her, I should have warned her. But anyway, so many things has happened, like losing my wallet as well yesterday. Been a crazy 2 days here in El Nido. but we are enjoying ourselves. Everything's still planned out really well. Like we're enjoying the views, enjoying the experience, and yeah.
Good morning, guys. Cheno and I have been taking photos of the streets of El Nido.
Yeah.
And I think it's been a success.
So we've just been walking around the street, kind of like figuring out any good angles to take photos of. But I ended up like taking photos of the people and like just surroundings. And yeah, I hope it turns out well.
So now we're just gonna go back to the places that we've actually taken a photo of. And it's a really beautiful area.
Yeah.
And you're gonna see photos of us on Instagram, Flights and Feelings, check that out. Now we're here at the area and just check it out.
We were walking around the town of El Nido, unsure of what to do. We even went back to one of the cute little spots a couple days ago, when all of a sudden I noticed from a distance, a bunch of kids were having the best time of their lives. It was only the start of the day, but my heart already felt so full. Being able to witness these kids brought so much joy to Alex and myself. It's crazy how in today's world, we're caught up with the next thing. And these kids are just so happy to get in the water. We then took a quick break before picking up our motorbike to head to Leo Beach.
So now we're gonna head to Nakran Beach and Leo Beach at the same time.
So we have made it to Leo Beach. It's only like a quick 15-minute scooter ride. And so Alex is pretty keen in getting in the water. And me too. Well, we gotta make some content. Check that out.
Leo Beach was gorgeous with that massive mountain in the background. We then made our way to catch sunset at my most favorite beach in the entire world. And let's just say, it took my breath away.
It is our last full day here in El Nido. We are on our second tour, Tour B, and it's finally a sunny day out in the ocean. Super excited for Alex as well, because last time we went it was kind of gloomy, so I hope it's a great turnout today.
We made it to our very first stop and we're at Cheno Goes Island.
Small little island next to this massive rock, and take a look, a bunch of palm trees. So beautiful.
After Pinagbuyutan Island, we went to other stops like this random cave that we weren't allowed to go into, and another cave where we ended up not going in as well.
We were meant to go to the cave. This is called Kudognon Cave, but we just stayed by the beach and it's beautiful, freaking cool. The palm trees.